Settle down.
So
Do
dramatic,
not grab me. Do not grab me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You got fatigued, man.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You just kicked me. You just kicked me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Transgender lawyer Rob Hopkins, he tried to use the transgender card, man, it didn't work. He was indignant, and there was a judge there that wasn't having it. This right here is an epic meltdown of epic proportions, and it's so funny, man. Like, damn. And you'll see, and I'll comment on it on the way through it. So I just thought a lot of things were interesting in this encounter. He got hemmed up, man. They had to put hands on him. Little bitch. Without further ado, let's take a look, man. This y'all uncle, ain't he?
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Well, that didn't go as planned. Let's back up a bit, huh? This is transgender lawyer Rob Hopkins in Oklahoma. Things in the courtroom are a little testy because Rob's client did not show up for court. So let's watch the tension build.
That would be me back in the day.
I don't think there's any need in going forward today.
We were back to the issue at hand, which was you asked me to not provide testimony on behalf of my client. You asked me what paragraph it was.
Hey, look at the stance, man. You already know this dude's just attitude, man. Just the stance is, like he's, I don't know, man, like he above the judge, man. Like he's talking down to the judge, man. You already know it's gonna be a problem. This dude or whoever is a problem, man.
I pointed you to the exact paragraph.
Stop.
It's her education.
Stop.
Stop because you don't want to hear
Oh,
what the
stop.
argument is.
Stop. You interrupt me one more time, you are being held in direct contempt of court, and
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
wipe that smirk off
I don't
your
have a
face.
smirk on my face.
Oh, yes, you
I
do.
do not.
I am not going to tolerate this from you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. There was a pause. There was a break. I wasn't done with my argument.
And I was not done with my statement. You interrupted again. Do not throw your...
I did not throw. It fell off the bench. Please stop stating things that are not true, ma'am.
Sir, you've got a...
Man, we all can't stand a person like this, man. Every time you trying to make a powerful, statement or whatever, they gotta answer immediately. Yes, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna do it. This is what this guy doing, man. I can't stand people like this, man. They're not even listening to you. They waiting for you to be done. They waiting for a pause so they can interject. Oh, this judge right here ain't having this. Stop, you little. In her mind, she's like, you little bitch.
I do. I put it down. I did. I put it down and it fell down. I did not fall.
Oh yeah, that attitude behind it.
I'm not upset and I'm not arguing. You're not letting me make an argument. I'm not.
Man, you is arguing.
Red in the face, ma'am. I'm not.
Stop. Our court reporter cannot get what we're both saying.
I am trying to make my argument. You interrupted my argument halfway through on an objection.
That will get every available deputy in
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware. It's happened to me before.
It has.
Yes.
Because you're out of line
Yeah,
with court.
I guess so.
Okay. If I push that
Or maybe
button-
because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over the state.
I don't know what you
You
are.
do.
Hey man, because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over the state, see, that's the equivalent of using the black card, man, using the race card. Man, you need to stop.
Ma'am, it's not that you do.
So we are pausing this until you get the ADA request form filled out and it gets processed.
So we're going to pause the hearing on jurisdiction that's been set twice. I drove an hour and a half to have the hearing. My client's available telephonically.
Oh, that
and
attitude.
We are simply not even taking testimony.
Is your client available telephonically?
Yes, ma'am.
today?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then get her on the phone.
Thank you.
Your Honor, to which we would object. This is
It
as
is
clear
dirty here,
as the
man.
nose on my face that this woman will not appear before this court because she has a warrant or stealing.
Objection, hearsay. That's not true. And you're ready
You
to
will
say.
find, sir,
Don't
that
put up me. It's over me.
me.
I'm not putting it on there.
No, we're stopping.
Get out of my face,
I've been doing
sir.
it for a long
Get out of
time.
my face, sir.
You may step
Get
down.
out of my face.
You should leave this county.
Get out of my face. Get out of my
These
face.
people are my friends, and you're being ugly.
And get out of my face.
Hear the other attorney in his face, man. My friends are here to handle it. Yeah, man. They about to. Hey, man, you gotta watch the video. I'm sorry, man. This video is hilarious to me, man. I watched it 10 times.
Why?
Because you're in direct contempt of court.
He shouted at me. No, I'm not being, you did not even say that I was in
You are
contempt.
in direct.
No, I'm not
Judge,
doing
I
my stuff.
apologize, but I felt very threatened by this person. The screaming and the yelling in court, I've never even heard that before in this courtroom.
Do not hurt me. Do not hurt me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Do not. Are you throwing me over this?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay.
Getting treated like a ninja judge.
You know
Like a
exactly
little
what's
ninja.
Why
happening.
don't you all walk that way so you
I can't walk. I'm being thrown down.
Just settle down, walk that way.
Settle down.
So
Do
dramatic,
not grab me. Do not grab me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Got fatigued, man.
You're hurting me! You're hurting me! You just hit me! You just I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Put your hand behind
I
your back.
cannot breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
At certain points, man, he didn't even have the arm across his throat. He had it across his chest, man. Talking about I can't breathe. Trying to this dude taking a page out of the BLM playbook, man. And then you got the other officer there, man, beating on his arm. Beating, you had a chance. No, you got to do work today. I was chilling, you bitch. Act like a little bitch, man. Man, look. You wanted to be a man, you getting treated like one, man. You getting treated like a man now. You getting treated like a little ninja.
Somebody call 911! Please! 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 Please!
Maybe secure.
Ow! 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 Somebody call 911!
Dude, 911 got you. Don't worry, 911 already on your ass, man. This dude hyperventilating like he when we was a kid, when we used to get our ass whooped because we was doing something wrong. Just like he getting hands put on him because he doing something wrong. We used to hyperventilate, remember? That's him. Or her, or whatever. Now you want, hey, but I think it's interesting. What is about to come up? Check this out.
I don't get a female officer now! Get a female officer now! Get a female officer now!
There aren't any.
Wait a minute. You're transgender. You're a woman that wants to be a man, but now you want a female officer? You don't like being treated like a
I
man now?
can't get up, I can't see! He just threw my glasses! I can't see! Give me my glasses! Put them on my face!
No.
Put them on my face, I cannot see!
Welcome to manhood, man. That's how they do us, man. That's how they handle us, man. You know, if we men, we act like a little bitch. That's how they handle it. They put the hands up. They dig their damn knuckles in you. Turn in your shirt, see? Turn your little Burlington Coal Factory suit.
Please give me my glasses, I cannot see! I'm not trying to walk and I cannot see! I need my wallet!
Thanks, Robert. Thanks, guys.
That rear naked choke ain't even in deep, man. He's really got it across and over on your shoulder, so that's not even deep. This is talking about I can't breathe, man. This right here is hilarious to me, man. Just to see somebody who's supposed to be an attorney, man. You're supposed to be well educated, man. You're supposed to have some type of decorum, and you want to be a smart ass to the judge. The judge wasn't having it no more. She's like, listen, man, my husband didn't give it to me the way he usually does, and I'm pissed off. this guy wants to be, or this girl wants to be a guy, wants to sit up here and get in the judge's face. The judge was having it. And then you throw out the transgender card. Let me tell you something, man. They're doing good work nowadays, because if you hadn't told me, and I'm looking from here, of course, I'm not looking face to face in real life. But if you had not told me this was a woman that trans over to being a man, I would have never known. At least from this point of view, I would have never known. They're doing a good job, man. So you bring up the fact that you're a transgender, using it like black people use the race card, man. I used to use the race card when I was younger. Then I got, older. I started reading and looking at some things, man, and became unindoctrinated. Man, let me know, man. Let me know in the comments, man. Did the transgender lawyer deserve to get put on her to him? You smart ass bitch. That stuff don't work no more. You want to be a man, you're going to get treated like a man, you little bitch. Let me know, man. Does the transgender lawyer have the right to be, you guessed it, indignant?